Morning everyone. So today we are here to discuss interesting facts 2 from your GK book of class 7. Okay, so the very first question is, which book holds the record for being translated into the most number of languages? The Holy Bible, the sacred book of the Jewish and Christian religions, is the most translated book. The Bible has two parts, Old Testament and New Testament. The Hebrew Bible, recognized by both Jews and Christians, is the Old Testament by Christians. The New Testament was originally written in Greek. The first English translation of English Bible was done by a priest called Miles Coverdale in 1535. So the answer, which book holds the record of being translated into most number of languages, children? The Holy Bible. Okay, the Holy Bible is the answer. Now come to question number 2. What was the soccer war? So the soccer war, also called football war, was the first fought between El Salvador and Honduras in 1969. So what was it, children? It was called the football war that was fought between El Salvador and Honduras in 1969. Now come to question number 3. Which is the most valuable diamond in the world? Valuable means beshkinti. Okay, bahumulya. The Millennium Star, currently exhibited at the Millennium Dome in London, is the most valuable diamond in the world. So the answer is the Millennium Star. Okay, and what is its shape? It is pearl shaped. Okay, as you can see in the picture. Now come to question number 4. Why is it said that an elephant never forgets? An elephant's memory is legendary. Based on evidence available, elephants seem to remember individuals, places, and learned skills for many years. Elephants are large animals with a large brain. Such animals develop a part of brain called cerebral cortex to a greater capability for learning and remembering. So that's why they have ability to retain information for longer period. Thus it is said that an elephant never forgets. So what is the answer? The answer is that animals like elephant develop a part of the brain called cerebral cortex to a greater capability for learning and remembering. So this is the reason why an elephant never forgets. Which is the world's biggest airport? King Fahd International Airport is located near Dammam, Saudi Arabia. It is the largest airport in the world. So children, which is the world's biggest airport? King Fahd International Airport. Okay, so this was the answer of all the the answers of all the questions. Now come to interesting fact number 3. How does a pilot know the route to a destination? Question number 1. To know that they are taking the exact route to the destination, pilots depend mainly on the air traffic control stations. Air traffic controllers in the control stations, they pass along the way, monitor the aircraft. They monitor their speed, direction and altitude. Altitude means height. They give instructions to the pilot of the aircraft if necessary. So how does a pilot know the route to a destination, children? They come to know the route to a destination as they through air traffic control stations. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पे भी रोड पे ट्रैफिक होती है तो पुलिस रहती है ना, ट्रैफिक पुलिस रहती है. इट गिव्स द डायरेक्शन. Okay, the vehicle should come from this side, it should go to that side. So similarly, pilots are also dependent on air traffic control stations, as through air traffic control station they come to know the route to a destination. जहाँ उनको पहुँचना है वहाँ पे पहुँचने का रास्ता उन्हें बतलाता है, गाइडेंस मिलती है. Okay, now come to question number 2. How does a global positioning system work? That is GPS. आपने नाम सुना होगा GPS. Okay, स्मार्ट वॉचेस में GPS, मोबाइल फोन्स में GPS. What is this GPS all about? Let's see. Global Positioning System or GPS is used sometimes as a handheld device to locate a position on the earth at a given time. GPS is only a receiver. It does not have any transmitting capability. It receives the information about latitude and longitude from the satellites. लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन आती है सैटेलाइट से, तब एक पर्टिकुलर जगह को लोकेट कर पाता है जीपीएस. अंडरस्टूड. इट रिसीव्स द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस इज डन. The satellites do not contain any database about the locations. They contain highly precise atomic clocks which generate some codes which they keep transmitting to the earth. The GPS receiver gets these codes from multiple satellites which are slightly different due to difference in the distance of satellite. So how does a global positioning system, that is GPS, work? The answer is there in the paragraph. I will not say this answer. You will write the answer on your own. Let me see how well you come to know this answer of this question. Now come to question number 3, which is the most poisonous animal. It is hard to say which animal is the most poisonous in the world. The poison arrow frog and certain salamanders are on the top of the list. Just 2 micrograms, a very small quantity of toxin from the poison arrow frog is enough to kill a human. It is said that the world's most venomous means poisonous, venom मतलब poison होता है, जहर. Okay. Most venomous animal is the box jellyfish, which is found in the waters around Asia and Australia. They have long tentacles with stings at the ends. So which is the most poisonous animal, children? The box jellyfish. Okay, now come to question number 4. What is the procedure to differentiate between blood groups? Blood group is any of the types into which blood is classified according to the presence or absence of certain antigens on the surfaces of its red cells. The 2 main antigens are designated as A and B. The blood group is found out by adding 2 chemicals, anti-sera A and anti-sera B, to the blood sample. If the sample gets agglutinated or kind of sticks together by anti-sera A and not by anti-sera B, the sample is A. If it gets agglutinated by B but not A, the sample is B. If it gets agglutinated by both the sample A, then the sample is AB, and if by neither, the sample is O. The RH factor is found out by adding another chemical, anti-sera D, to the sample. So this is so nice, very great information. Understood? So next time when you go for testing of your blood, that which group your blood belongs to, so you can have an idea that what procedure is applied for differentiating the blood group. Understood? So write this answer again on your own. Now come to question number 5. What is the difference between iron and steel? This is again a very interesting question. The main difference is the percentage of carbon present. Steel is also iron but contains less than 2% carbon. Iron which contains more than 2% carbon is known as pig iron. Pig iron is obtained from iron ore by processing it with coke in a blast furnace. भट्टी में उसको जलाते हैं. Okay, this pig iron is then further processed to reduce the carbon content in different furnaces to obtain steel. So again, write this answer on your own. So you'll be writing the answers of question number 2, 4 and 5 on your own. Understood? It's very, very simple. So I hope all the questions and answers, all the questions are clear to you. and some of the answers which I haven't told, write it on your own, find it on your own, write it neatly and learn it. Understood, children? So that's all for today. Thank you, children.